Here we are at our 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24. This is rental fleet number 3. This is part of a rental fleet. It's powered by a Yamaha 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. There's 162 hours on this one. Yeah, 162 engine hours currently showing on this one. We do have the low maintenance vinyl flooring, 25-inch diameter pontoons. This front porch here is 46 inches in length. Of course, the boat is 8.5 feet wide. You've got LED docking lights, navigation lights, pop-up changing room, ski tow bar. Again, this is boat number 3 that's remaining in, that is in the rental fleet that's for sale. This fleet we're doing a little bit differently. This fleet's only 1 year old. It was rented for the 2018 season, and that's why you've only got 162 engine hours on this one. And this fleet's going to be offered for a limited time. It will be basically whatever the units they sell between now and February are new ones that they'll have for the 2019 season. Whatever's left, they'll rent one more season. So you're going to find the current asking price at our website, www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button whenever you make it there, and scroll down, and you'll see a photo of one of these boats. It'll say 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet. You'll see the asking price. It's per unit of each boat. You can click into that. You'll see exactly how many units there are, exactly which ones are remaining. You can see the photos for each unit, and of course you'll be able to click in and find the link for the video tour that you're listening to now. Trailers are not included with these. We can provide local transportation, or we can get you a new trailer at our cost to arrange for you to purchase a new one, or we can arrange to get it to you. Here at your helm station, you've got a Jensen. That's an AM/FM USB auxiliary, Bluetooth stereo. We've got a 12-volt power outlet, and the everything did pass function test. Working horn, radio, navigation lights, and docking lights. There's your stereo. So there's 2 stereo speakers. There's 11 cup holders, and again, this one's rated for 13. Bimini top overhead, and then of course you see that is a mount for removable table. Tables are not being sold with these. Now your pop-up changing room, the latch is not in this one, but it is available. It just needs to be reinstalled. So here's your pop-up changing room. Here's that latch, and then of course this is the little bracket that enables you to put that on there. So looks like it's not here, but it is. It just needs to be put back in place. And I'm going to snap that little strap there, and I can go ahead and lower that back down. You've also got storage under your helm. And you've got storage in here as well. 24 MD Team Cycle Marine battery. You've got the 4 gates, one off the bow, stern, and either side. Ski tow bar. That's a 5-step swim boarding ladder. 38-gallon fuel capacity on these. And then rear corner bracket is in need back here on both sides of the rear. That's really about been the extent of the wear and tear on these. They've held up. They've held up well. And again, whichever boats go unsold by a set date around February, they will just be rented another season. So contact us through our website if you're interested in one of these. Let us know which unit you're interested in, or if you're interested in multiple. Thank you very much for joining us here. If you do have questions and you call, you can contact us by text, by phone, or by email. If you call us by phone and you get our voicemail, leave us a detailed message. We're often in areas without cell phone reception, and if you leave us a detailed message, whenever we return your call, we can have any questions answered that you might have had. So thank you again for joining us. That'll wrap things up here for this 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet boat unit number 3 for sale here on Norris Lake. I thank you again for joining us.